You can see it right there, a little water snake, right below the surface. See him heads up on the shore. They can. Got one. Yep. Another sunny. Real round one. Yellow belly on him. Well, half decent sized crappie right here. There we go. Decent sized crappie. Pumpkin seed. Tiny baby. Billerica, home of the fart can exhaust. All right, woo!
Nice fish, Joey.
Yeah, you're not bad.
That's not bad at all. It's not bad for this area, certainly.
Release them. Oh! Oh, got it.
That's awesome.
Can you get a picture? Oh my god, my GoPro is covered.
Alright, I got like 12 pictures.
Ugh. Nice.
Crappie.
Good little crappie.
And not too bad.
Mm.
Yeah, I'm sorry, bass. I'm sorry, you're all dirty and under the boat now. I caught the biggest bass. Alright. I'm gonna rinse him off.
Massive.
Massive bass. Sorry, bass.
I mean, there's proof that it's a healthy fishery, though. Look at that little guy.
Yeah, look at him.
He'll be huge in no time.
Yeah, you go get bigger. Oh, he ran into my boat. Come on, get out.
It's a little disoriented.
Yeah, I can see him kicking up sand on this side. Move your boat. I think he's still over there. No, you're good. He managed. Threw the cannon in there. Do a couple of those bottles in there. I'm glad to see the dog shit and the bags are in there.